Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how MoonPay verifies your identity and what you need to do to complete the process. This is an important step because MoonPay follows international anti-money laundering regulations to keep transactions safe and legitimate. MoonPay verifies your identity during your very first transaction. This one-time check is required before you can make any crypto purchases or sales through their platform. Once you've completed it, you won't need to do it again for future transactions. To get started, click on the Continue button when prompted. MoonPay will then ask you to complete its Know Your Customer process, also known as KYC. You'll be asked to upload an identity document and 2 selfies to confirm your identity. You can use any one of the following documents: an ID card, passport, residence permit, or driver's license. The verification can be completed either on the web or from your mobile device. If you choose to verify on your phone, MoonPay gives you a few options. You can scan a QR code or simply copy a verification link to open it on your mobile browser. Once you've uploaded your ID and selfies, MoonPay will review your information. The process usually only takes a few minutes. After your identity is verified, your account is ready, and you can start buying or selling crypto without any restrictions. And that's it. That's how you complete MoonPay's identity verification process. It's quick, secure, and only needs to be done once. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto and finance how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.